I've spent the past 2 weeks testing, searching, and trying out different free AI video and image generators. And honestly, the results were surprisingly good. I mean, just take a look at these images and videos. The quality, the detail, it's actually crazy. Because here's the thing, most AI tools that claim to be free aren't really free. They're just free trials, with hidden paywalls waiting for you. But after testing a lot of them, I've narrowed it down to a few that are actually free. No tricks, no surprises, just tools that let you generate realistic AI videos and images from scratch. And that's not even the best part. I'm also going to show you a platform where you can make a lot of money monetizing your AI content, or honestly, any type of content from any niche. And the craziest part, you get to keep up to 90% of what you earn. On top of that, it's trusted, reliable, and comes with almost no restrictions, which is rare, very rare. I mean, isn't that just too much? Anyway, time to get started. Yeri AI. First tool on our list today is Stable Diffusion Online, and we're already on the homepage, so let's not waste any time. Go ahead and sign up, and as usual, we'll continue with Google to save time. Quick, easy, no stress. Now after signing in, this is what your interface should look like. Take a second to look around, and you'll notice something immediately. You've already been given 20 credits, which is great, but it doesn't stop there. You can also claim daily credits, so you can keep coming back and generating more content. Now on the left side of your screen, you'll see a list of tools, from AI image generation, to video generation, to editing tools. So yeah, this platform does a lot. But for now, let's stay focused. Locate text to image and click on it. Now you'll see your prompt box. And from here, the next step is obvious. We need a prompt. So go ahead and use any AI chatbot. Get your prompt ready. Take your time with it. Be creative. Add details. Once your prompts are ready, copy your favorite one. Head back to the website. Paste it in. Now choose a model. After that, pick a style, or just leave it on auto if you're not sure. Then select your aspect ratio. Everything is set. Now go ahead and click Generate. Give it a moment, and boom, first image is ready. And wow, this is magnificent, clean, detailed, high quality. Go ahead and download it. Now repeat the same process for your other prompts. Second image, ready. And wow, this one, even better. Like, I wouldn't even guess this was AI if I didn't make it myself. Now the third image, and somehow, it just keeps getting better. Now the next one, and hold on, did you notice how fast these images generate? Like, literally within seconds. That's crazy. This is actually a gem. Now the final image before we move on. And wow, wowie, go ahead and download that too. At this point, I'm honestly running out of words, but we're not done yet, because this tool also supports video generation. So let's test that out. Go ahead and click on text to video. Now get your prompt, copy it, head back to the website, paste it into the prompt box, and click generate. Now while we wait, take a look at the settings. You've got options for video model, quality, aspect ratio, and more, so you can really customize your output. Now the video is ready, and wow, this is actually really good. And wait, it even came with sound. That's impressive. Go ahead and download it. Now repeat the same process for the next prompt. Generate, wait, and there it is. Second video ready. And again, looks great. Download it. Now the third video, and yeah, this one looks realistic, detailed, high quality. Go ahead and download it. And just like that, you've created both images and videos using one tool. Fast, simple, effective. Alright, now let's move on to the next tool, Meta AI. Up next, we have this really magnificent tool, and I'm not even exaggerating. This one, 100% free. No daily limits, no credits, no restrictions. You can generate images and videos as much as you want. And honestly, that alone already makes it stand out. The name of this tool is Meta AI, so go ahead and search it up. Then click on the AI video generator link. Now you'll have to create an account first. Just a quick sign up. Nothing complicated. And once you're done, this is what your interface should look like. You'll see a prompt box, settings, everything you need is right there. Now before we jump into videos, let's start with a simple image, just to test it out. Go ahead and type a basic prompt, click generate, and give it a second. And there it is, the image is ready. And wow, this is magnificent. Clean, detailed. And wait, we even got 4 outputs. That's crazy. Go ahead and download them. Now before we continue, let's head over to ChatGPT to get more prompts. Because we're about to generate a lot of images and videos, so take your time, write a few good prompts, make them detailed, make them creative. Now that your prompts are ready, copy any one of them, head back to Meta AI, paste it in, and click Generate. And wow, this image looks like a dream. Like, this is actually beautiful. Go ahead and download it. Now repeat the same process for the next prompt. Generate, wait, and there it is. Second image ready, and honestly, even better. Like, wow. Go ahead and download that too. Now, it's time for videos, so go ahead and get your video prompt. Now here's a small trick. Before pasting your prompt, type Generate Video in the prompt box first. Then paste your actual prompt after it. Now click Generate. Give it a moment. And the video is ready. Wow. Honestly, just wow. It clearly followed the prompt. Everything looks smooth. Well put together. Go ahead and download it. Now let's do the second one. New prompt. Paste. Generate. Wait. And wow. This looks like something straight out of a movie scene. Like, this is actually insane. Go ahead and download it. Now let's run the third one. Generate. Wait. And yeah, this is beautiful. Really clean output. Download it. Now for the final video. Generate. Wait. And wow. At this point, you already know, all these videos, they actually feel like art. And the fact that this is free, no limits, that's crazy. Go ahead and download it. And just like that, you've created multiple high-quality images and videos, all from one tool. That's powerful. Alright, now let's move on to the next tool, Canva AI Video Generator. So using this one is not hard at all. The interface is beginner-friendly, very easy to use. Like, even a toddler could figure it out. That's how simple it is. So first, go ahead and search for Canva AI Video Generator in your browser. Then click on the AI text-to-video link. That should take you straight to the website. Now once you're in, locate AI Generative Video and click on it. And just like that, this is what your interface should look like. Clean, simple, everything right in front of you. Now if you look below the prompt box, you'll notice that video clip is already selected, so you don't really have to touch that. You can change the other settings if you want, or just leave them as they are. Now go ahead and write a simple prompt. Nothing too complicated, just something clear. Then click Generate, and give it a moment, let it process. And now, the video is ready. And wow, this is actually very good. Like, genuinely impressive. Go ahead and download it. Now repeat the same process for your other prompts. And if you don't have prompts ready, you already know what to do. Head over to ChatGPT, get your prompts, then come back and paste them in. Now generate again, wait a bit, and the second video is ready. And wow, this is even better. Like, I'm actually impressed. Go ahead and download it. Now let's run the third one. Generate, wait. And there it is, third video is ready. And wow, just wow. Go ahead and download that one too. And just like that, you've created multiple high-quality AI videos. Simple, fast, and effective. Alright, now we can move on to the next thing on our list. Room 11. So what is this platform? It's a content monetization platform, but not like the usual ones. It's actually designed to help creators earn more, with more control. If you scroll down, you'll see that Room 11 is positioned as a premium creator fund platform with tons of different ways to make money. And not just more ways, better payouts too. For example, most platforms give creators around 60 to 80%, but here, you can earn up to 90%. That's one of the highest payout rates out there, with almost no restrictions, and a full VIP-style experience. Now let's talk about the tools. First, security. The platform includes strong encryption, DMCA protection, and options to block users or even entire locations, so your content stays private and secure. Second, there's no cross-promotion. That means when someone joins your page, they don't see other creators. Your traffic stays completely yours. There's also premium support, including a concierge-style system, which is a really big feature. And switching over is easy. You can import your content directly from platforms like OnlyFans or Fansly. Since this is a fan-based platform, there are multiple ways to earn. You've got live streams, video calls, direct fan interaction, all in one place. Plus, there's a referral program to increase your income even more. Another big advantage, they support all types of content. Yes, that includes AI-generated content, which a lot of platforms don't allow. Now, one of the standout features is the personal concierge service. These are professional agents who help manage your account based on your goals. Think of it like having your own assistant. They can help schedule live streams, manage calls, organize your content, and even help you earn more by optimizing everything. The platform supports creators from all kinds of niches: ASMR, gaming, podcasts, cooking, and more. And yes, uncensored content is allowed. Getting started is simple. You can join and start monetizing right away. So if you're serious about making money from your content, this is definitely a platform worth checking out. Check the link in the description, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI content like this.